Writing a research paper is already hard. What makes it worse is staring at a blank page and not knowing where to start. That's why tools like Jenni AI and Paperpal are getting popular right now. Both promise to help you write research papers faster, but they actually work in very different ways. So in this Jenni AI versus Paperpal comparison, the real question is simple. Which one actually helps you finish your research paper faster? Let's start with Jenni AI. Jenni AI is built mainly for drafting. When you start writing, it keeps suggesting the next sentence, almost like autocomplete for academic writing. That's huge if you struggle with writer's block because you're not starting from zero, you're editing and guiding the AI instead. It also helps with citations and outlines, which makes it easier to structure essays or research papers while you write. So Jenni AI is basically your writing partner. Now, let's talk about Paperpal. Paperpal is more like an academic editor. Instead of helping you write from scratch, it focuses on improving what you already wrote, fixing grammar, refining tone, and making your paper more publication ready. It also understands academic language better because it's trained on millions of scholarly articles. So if Jenni helps you start the paper, Paperpal helps you polish it. That's the biggest difference. Jenni AI is stronger for drafting ideas and building the first version of a paper, while Paperpal is better for editing and refining academic writing before submission. Now, quick pros and cons. Jenni AI is easier for beginners and great for getting words on the page fast, but it sometimes needs heavy editing afterward. Paperpal is excellent for grammar, tone, and academic polishing, but it doesn't help as much with initial idea generation. So, which one wins? If your biggest struggle is starting a research paper, Jenni AI is probably the better tool, but if you already have a draft and want it to sound more professional and academic, Paperpal is the better choice. Most researchers actually end up using both, Jenni to write faster and Paperpal to polish the final version. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.